Hello angels, happy Friday. I'm so excited because today it is raining outside and I don't have anywhere that I have to be right now, which is so nice. I feel like all the time whenever it's raining I have to be outside on campus going to class and just getting soaked, but now I'm able to just stay in my apartment. I have a nice cup of tea here. I've got a candle burning, which is so nice. I have a couple of Zooms and phone calls today. But other than that, I am just hoping to be here in my apartment all nice and cozy. It's currently almost 11 o'clock and I've just been relaxing and reading, which speaking of reading, I'm currently reading Tom Lake by Ann Patchett. I just started this recently. I really was wanting to read this during the spring. I believe I got it in like October and I was saving it for this springtime, and now that it's April I really wanted to start this book and I've actually really been enjoying it. It's definitely very character driven, but I love the way that it's written. I love the writing. I love how it's structured. At first it was a little hard to adapt to because it kind of goes in and out of the present and the past, but I'm just really loving it and just like loving the story, and just the cover is so gorgeous. Honestly, the reason that I was first drawn to it, I'm I believe about 40% complete with it and I'm really loving it. But right now I'm currently editing my video that I filmed last Sunday that obviously has already gone up and you guys have hopefully seen. Do watch if you haven't already. It's just like a Sunday spring reset in my life, which honestly I feel like I already need another one of those resets. It's just nice to be able to do that at least once every weekend where I can just really relax and reset and just feel like I'm getting back on track with things. For now, I'm gonna enjoy being inside while it's raining. I might have the lights off except my candle and my lamp. So I'm just gonna relax here, and before my next meeting in an hour, I'm just gonna get a good start on some editing. I was really wanting to make that bunny sourdough loaf that I've been seeing all over for Easter because it's Easter weekend and tomorrow I have an Easter with family, so I was really wanting to bring the bunny loaf, but when I put it in the Dutch oven it basically just like completely crunched together, and I guess I didn't think about that because all the videos I watched they didn't really show them putting it in the Dutch oven, so I was like, should I have done a smaller size so that I could actually keep the shape? I'm not so sure, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm a little scared that it's just gonna be a little ball of mush, but now while the sourdough is doing its first round of baking with the lid on, I'm gonna go walk outside because it stopped raining for a little bit because I haven't left the house yet today and I wanna make sure that I'm still getting some steps in and some activity in. I'm just feeling really tired and worn out from this week, so the urge to just stay in and snuggle up with the book is very strong, but I also wanna be able to make sure that I get outside and do a little bit of walking around, especially now that it's stopped raining for the time being. loaf didn't exactly turn out the greatest. I mean, it still is a sourdough loaf and it's gonna be edible. It just, you can kind of see like the legs are back here, the tail, and then the head and like the ears. It kind of just looks like a big lump, but you know, it'll still taste like sourdough bread, so I'm still gonna bring it. It's okay, it'll just look a little deformed. I think maybe if I would try it again, I would just make a smaller loaf so then it would fit in my Dutch oven, but I think maybe my Dutch oven is too small or it just wasn't the right shape. I don't know, but I'm sure it'll taste just fine. But I just finished my last meeting of the day. It's currently 3:30 and my roommate and I are gonna go get, oh, it just started chucking down rain again. My roommate and I are gonna go to a coffee shop and get some hot chocolate. I feel like it's the perfect day for some hot chocolate. It's nice and rainy and I'll just get some work done. I have some editing that I need to do as well as some homework as well. My outfit today is pretty casual and boring. I've just been in my comfy clothes because I've just been having meetings online. Right. Right. I'm making my own hot chocolate. It's not good.
But that was pretty quick, so I did say the other.
The sip your drink. Good morning, angels. I am just all ready for my first Easter event. So we're going to some family's house for brunch today, which should be fun. And I'm all dressed in one of my outfits. Actually much cuter than I thought it would be. I'll show you guys in the mirror before I leave. But I'm just gonna go upstairs and make a quick salad that I'm very excited to make. I'm like known in my family for making like seasonal salads every holiday. Like in the fall, I love making like a kale salad with maybe like sweet potato, apples, pears, things like that. But now that it's officially April and spring produce is coming in season, I was like looking at the April seasonal produce menu and kind of like looking at what could be a really yummy combination. So I think I'm gonna do this like strawberry feta type of balsamic vinaigrette salad. I think it's gonna be really yummy. So I have all the ingredients upstairs, so I was gonna go prep that and I think it'll be really delicious. Even though the bunny loaf didn't turn out, I'm still gonna bring it today. It's okay, it'll still taste hopefully really good because the rise was actually so good in the sourdough itself, but it just didn't exactly turn into a bunny, which that's okay. It's still sourdough. That's all that matters. And this is my outfit for today. I think it's so cute. It's very cutesy retro. I love it. And so the sweater that I tied on top of the dress, I thrifted, as well as the dress is also thrifted, but I love this dress. It's a nice wool blend and it's very soft, especially because it's going to be pretty cold outside today. I mean, thankfully we won't probably be outside too much today, but still they keep me nice and warm. And then this dress on underneath is actually so cute, but I have the cardigan tied on over top, but it's just like a really cute knit white little dress. And then we have my Coach Tabby bag and my Coach Mary Jane's, and then I just pulled my hair back. It's these cute little barrettes on both sides to just kind of do something fun with my hair. Love it. Got my little heart necklace on, some hoop earrings, very simple. But yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs and make that salad and prep to go ahead to our first Easter festivities. back from Easter with my family. It was really fun. The salad was so delicious. I need to make that again. It was so yummy. It pretty much just had like strawberries, red onions, pecans, goat cheese, no, not goat cheese, feta, just a bunch of different fun ingredients for spring. Overall, such a good salad. And then the sourdough bunny, even though it wasn't an actual bunny, it tasted delicious. It was really nice and soft and so good. So at least it tasted good. That's all that matters. But now my family, we're gonna go see Project Hail Mary in theaters, which I'm so excited about because if you guys have been following me for a while, I read that book, I think maybe beginning of March, and I did really enjoy it. I gave it, I believe, 4 stars. I know that everyone was pretty much raving about it and obsessed with it, and I liked it. I don't think I got the hype as much as other people did. Wasn't a bad book at all. The writing was amazing, but I'm so excited to see the movie because I've heard incredible things about the movie as well, and just how well made it is and how just incredible it is. So I'm so excited that we're gonna go see that together. And I just put on a little comfy outfit for the movie. I just kept the same cardigan on that I was wearing earlier, but then added my little flared pants and my ballerina flats to go see the movie. I'm very excited. I will have to let you guys know what my thoughts are on it, but I have a feeling it's going to be really good. I'm also excited because it's Ryan Gosling, and I know he's just such an incredible actor. He's so funny and so well versed. So I'm very excited to see him and also see Rocky and just see how they take the book to the screen. I'm very excited. And I was talking with my sister about this. I feel like there's a lot of book adaptations that are coming up soon, and I feel like a good amount of them, the ones at least that I really care about, I've read. I know that Remarkably Bright Creatures, I think there's a movie coming out of that, and that's a book that I've wanted to read, so I did put a hold on that for Libby. So once I finish Tom Lake, which I believe I'm around 60% done, then I'll probably read Remarkably Bright Creatures because I think the movie comes out in May, so I just want to read it before the movie comes out on Netflix, I believe. And so I'll have to let you guys know how that is. I know that so many people love that book so much, and the cover is so cute. So I want to read that, and I also really want to read The Odyssey because I'm wanting to read that before the summer starts because the movie comes out in July, but I just really like to get it done sooner rather than later. Anyways, those are my book updates, but I'm gonna go ahead to the movie with my family.
Really fishing. What that?
Got back from seeing the movie. It was really good. I gave it 4 stars on Letterboxd. That's the same that I gave the book as well. I would say it was a pretty good adaptation. I definitely think if I didn't read the book and went and saw the movie, there'd just be parts that I was kind of confused about. I don't know. There are just some things that I feel like they didn't completely elaborate on that if you didn't read the book, then I would be a little bit confused. But tomorrow I have to work really early in the morning, and then we are going to get brunch for Easter, so I'm very excited about that. That'll be very fun, but I need to head to bed because I have to wake up super early and I'm feeling so tired. So I will see you guys tomorrow after I get off work. Hello angels, good morning and happy Easter. I know it's probably obviously past Easter for you all, so I hope you had a wonderful Easter if you celebrate. I finally just got ready and my family and I are gonna head to brunch at this Southern comfort food place. I've never been to it, but it sounds really good and I'm really excited. I wanted to show you my outfit that I'm wearing today. This dress I got last year from a vintage market. It's like a 1950s, 60s dress. It's so pretty in this really pretty peachy pink color, and then I'm just wearing my Coach Tabby and of course my Coach Mary Janes as well. I feel like this outfit just feels very retro and I love it so much. It actually is really nice outside, which I'm so happy about because the past couple days it's been really cold and storming, which I have definitely not appreciated, but I'm very excited for brunch. And also we're gonna go open up our Easter baskets upstairs. Lunch was so delicious. I had a Southern style shakshuka. So it was like a typical shakshuka, but at the bottom it had grits in it. I love shakshuka so much. I love making it here at home. It's always so good and honestly pretty easy to make. I need to make it again. It's so delicious. And then we went to my grandma's after and had some carrot cake, which was so delicious. I love carrot cake so much. And I just wanted to show you what the Easter Bunny brought me. First thing is this beautiful journal. I'm so obsessed. I don't know where the Easter Bunny got this journal from, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. It like reminds me of like an old like a book or something. I'm so excited to use this journal. This will probably be my summer journal because I just started my new journal right around when spring started, so I'm assuming that'll probably get me through a couple months, and then I'm very excited to have this one on deck. Also, this little like bookmark. I've never seen this style of like metal clip bookmark, but it's so adorable. Let me open it up. It's just so gorgeous, little blue bow in there. This is so cute and fancy. I love it. It's so cute. It almost looks like a little barrette. And let me put it in my book because I'm currently reading Tom Lake. Let's see, how do you do this? It's so cute. It's just like peeking out and it's just in the page like that. Wait, that's so adorable. I'd never seen that before. That's so cute. I'm obsessed. I had been using my little Wicked bookmark before, but honestly it always slips out because it doesn't stay in my books very well. But I love this new bookmark and it's so cute. I can really see how far I am. Love! And then just got some of these really yummy dark chocolate raspberry almond crunch bark. So good. I already, of course, had a little bit of a snacky of that earlier. Easter Bunny brought me these 2 little cups. My mom was like, you could use them for your yogurt bowls, which I think would honestly be so perfect. Or even like a little cup of soup or something inside of there. I just thought it was so adorable. Perfect for like a little parfait. And finally, my favorite is this gorgeous teacup. I just think this is so me. It's so like Art Deco, and I just am obsessed with the stripes and the pink and white. I just think it's so cute. Having a little matcha in there. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. Anyways, I don't have anything for the rest of the day. Usually on Sundays I would have my bar class, but because it's Easter, there's no bar class today. So I was thinking about going for a walk because it's so nice outside right now, and then maybe I'll come back, do a little bit of cleaning, have a little reset and relax a little bit. I started rewatching Sex and the City. I think that was last week, and oh my gosh, I just love that show so much. I just love the characters. I love the story. I just love everything about it. It's very aspirational for me. It just makes me feel like everything's gonna be okay. I just love it. So maybe I'll watch a little bit of that and do some homework or something on the couch. But yeah, I think in the meantime, I'm gonna change into something comfy and enjoy the sunshine while it lasts. So probably go for a little nice walk.